It's not an effort for me. I seem to be able to visualise the whole part. Music has always been easy for me to remember. And with sufficient concentration, I can soon make the words my own. I was so much younger when I first came here. Every room and space felt like it was opening its arms to me. "12 years I'd been here at the Metropolitan Opera. 40 major roles. 40!
Florence Easton was fervently welcomed back to the Metropolitan fold by the huge audience which attended last night's performance of Wagner's Die Walküre at the Broadway House.